Hello and welcome to another Excel tips video. I am Sumit Bansal, and in today's video I am going to show you how to open Excel application in the safe mode. Now you may want to open your Excel in the safe mode if your Excel is crashing or if it is corrupted and you want to recover the data. So if your Excel is crashing again and again, you can open it in the safe mode and then you can disable any add-in that is causing the conflict. Or if your file is corrupted, then you can open it in the safe mode and recover the data. So in this video, let me quickly show you two simple methods to open Excel in the safe mode in Windows, and I will also show you how to do this in Mac. The first method I want to show you is to open Excel application while holding the control key. So here I am in Windows and I'm going to search for Excel here in the search bar. And it shows me the Excel application. Now, before clicking on the Excel application icon here, I'm going to hold the control key and I'm going to continue to hold the control key. So hold the control key, keep holding it, then click on Excel. And now when I do that, it is going to open Excel application, but you would see this dialog box. And when you see this, you can leave the control key. It says you are holding down the control key. Do you want to start Excel in safe mode? And now when I click on yes, it is going to open Excel in the safe mode. And a couple of things that you would notice in the safe mode is that the color scheme is a little changed. In my Excel version, which is the regular version, I get a green bar at the top, but here I have this gray bar. Also, it says safe mode. So this is a clear indication that my file has opened in the safe mode. You also have less options available. For example, if you go to the file option here, you'll see that less number of options are available. You would also see that add-ins and plugins are not available to you when you open it in the safe mode. So this is where you can do the troubleshooting. You can disable some add-ins if you want. And if you want to open any specific file in the safe mode, then you can do that by going to the file option here and then clicking on open, and then you can browse and find the file. And if you open that file while your Excel application is already in the safe mode, that file will also be opened in the safe mode. And once you are done disabling the add-ins or whatever you want to do, you can exit the safe mode by closing the Excel application. The second way to open Excel in the safe mode in Windows is by using the Run dialog box. So here I can again go back to the search bar here and type Run, and it shows me the Run app, and I can click on it. And when I do that, it opens this Run dialog box. You can also get the same thing by using the keyboard shortcut Windows and R. So hold the Windows key and press the R key, and this is also going to open this same Run dialog box. Now here in the open field, you need to type Excel and then /safe. And when you do that and then you click OK or hit enter, it is going to open the Excel application in the safe mode. So again, this is a really fast way. You can do this entire thing with keyboard shortcut with Windows R to open the dialog box, and then just quickly type there and open your Excel application in the safe mode. Now again, if you want to open any specific file, you can go to the file tab here and then click on open and open specific file that you want in the safe mode. Now, I do not own a computer with a Mac operating system, but I did the research, and with Mac, you cannot open specific applications in the safe mode, but you can open the entire operating system in the safe mode. So here on this link, I have found this detail where you can open Mac in the safe mode if you're using Mac with Apple Silicon or Intel based Mac. Now in both of these cases, you need to hold the shift key and then boot your Mac system. So the entire operating system is going to be opened in the safe mode. And then when you open any application, it also then opens in the safe mode. So if you open your Mac in the safe mode and then open Excel, that Excel would also open in the safe mode. So I will give a link of this article in the description so you can read from there. That's it in this video. I hope you found this useful. Also, if you're liking these videos, please subscribe to this YouTube channel and click on the bell icon so that you never miss out on any new Excel tips video I come up with. Thank you and have a nice day.